Very dangerous escalation, another dangerous escalation that happened on the night of 7th and 8th is that from the Adampur, 4 projectiles were fired, which we now believe to be long-range missiles. 3 of them were targeted by the Indians inside the Indian territory in general area Amritsar. One of them crossed the airspace and entered into Pakistan airspace, and it was taken down. It was neutralized. The debris fell around general area Dinga. I will show you the electronic signature of the projectile that entered Pakistan. I would request AVM Aurangzeb to kindly explain this.
Ladies and gentlemen, these are high-speed projectiles that went higher in the upper atmosphere and then came back. So our radar is picking up, PF has the capability to pick high-speed projectiles. So our radar picked up this well in time. All 3, the ones that went up in the north at the radial of 310 in the north and then came back, landed in the Indian territory, and one of them came in at our site, which was neutralized in midair. So keeping the tactical details apart, but this is totally ridiculous kind of concept of operation where you are jeopardizing your own safety of your own people and escalating this thing to such a point which might be point of no return.
So this is near Dinga because there is a methodology, there is a way where and how to engage it, and there it was shot down and taken down. This is a part of the debris of that projectile, that long range missile that came.